confused.
Show her around. Show Poppy what you've got. You gonna eat it? Sit down. Sit down. Okay. Eat your ice cream. Nice. Stay here.
Delicious ice cream.
Poppy's gonna fall off. You sure this was a good idea? I'm tripping it now. Sit down here. Oh.
Well, I assure you this didn't happen the other day.
Oh, yeah, this is really good, Kate. She's going to stand on it now. Look. This. Lila.
You wanted something for YouTube, you've got something for YouTube.
What are you doing? Don't you want it?
Apparently not.
She's cleaning it up with her hand now. Yeah.
Lila?
Lila? Too big for her.
Lila, stop it. Get your ice cream.
No. Clean it up. How did it get on the back of her head?
When she fell backwards?
Nice. Do we need her chair?
Up there, Whopper.
I can't have you walking all over the lounge room, alright? Why don't you cooperate?
Alright. Oh!
Oh.
I was going to say take two, but now I think I'll just take off. Yeah. This is going really well. Hang on, put it on the carpet.
Ooh,
I'm gonna put it on
she
there.
got some new slippers on.
Yeah.
More. More.
Oh, I knew that was going to land somewhere.
It's alright, we have other
Ah.
Hold it here, like this.
This is just rubbish. This is like the opposite experience of the last time of me having an ice cream with her.
Oh, she says. Sexual.
Oh,
What is it cold? Oh dear.
it's a disaster.
Hold it on the-
Fishes.
Like this.
Oh dear. Going to end up on the carpet.
Spread out
The hand. Talk to the hand.
Got something all over the hand. Oh, it's on her face now.
Too cold?